Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we're in the bedroom. My wife has this dresser that has these shelf pins. And this is what came with the dresser. And over time, I guess these things they just wear out, or the weight from the glass being inside of it pulls it down and it makes the hole a bit bigger. But let me show you. So here's the dresser. And there's two pins on each side. One right here, one right here, and on this side, right here, 3 and 4. And these pins, the way it works is that they just fit right in here. Let me show you on the side. They fit in, and then you tighten the bottom up here with a screwdriver, a star head, and the little grommet right here goes up and it clamps the glass in place. But over time, like I was mentioning earlier, they just wear out because I think because of the weight, or it's just a poor design. So like the back ones, that one went in, but it's wobbly. So what you can do is actually head over to your local Lowe's or Walmart, Home Depot, whatever, and buy yourself a set of shelf pins right here. And these are all different sizes: the gold, the brown, the white, and the clear. So what I'm gonna do is show you how to make this hole right here bigger. I'm gonna make the hole bigger so that I can put in the gold plated shelf pin, which is this one right here. And this will basically go straight in like so, and then the glass will actually sit. So as you can see, it doesn't go in because the hole doesn't match the size of this pin. But basically you drill that up one more size to fit this, and then we should have no more issues. And then this is actually a better design because it'll go in flush against like this, and then the glass can just sit there. There's no screwing, there's no grommet, there's none of that nonsense to deal with. So let's go ahead and get started. So I've got my drill gun, my drill bit. We're gonna go ahead and make this hole a bit bigger here so it can fit the new pin. There you go. You're gonna have to sort of average it so you can kind of keep the drill gun steady, but that's all it really takes. Moment of truth now. Let's go ahead and put our pin in and see, yeah, if that works. Yeah, that's perfect. So now it's in there and it's sturdy, and that's what we're looking for. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that on all 4 pins. So that's the first one. Again, try and hold your gun level so that the hole is sort of level as well. That should be it. You don't need to go much. Let's go ahead. Moment of truth. Wow, that's great. Yeah. So that's 2. Let's go ahead and get the other side. Let's try it out and see. We can always go back if we need to. So I'm sort of averaging how far I need to go. So here's a side view of what it looks like, and you see it's not flush as yet. So we've got to go just a little bit more. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, let's try again. Yeah, that's great. That's great. See the side now? So completely flush. So that's perfect. And then this is our last hole right here. Okay, there it is. So let me get the pack, open it up, and we'll put in the other 3 and see how it looks. So let's go hit our second one. So we've got 2 in. Back on this side. There's number 3. Perfect. And last but not least, number 4. Okay. So we've got 1, 2, 3, and 4 now. So I'm going to go ahead and put the mirror on and see how it looks. So I just got done placing the mirror here on top. I did that without recording just so we could avoid any issues. But as you can see, the glass just sits there now. And the glass does have some weight to it. So it's pretty sturdy. It's not going to move or anything like that. You can sort of hear it. It is a bit dirty, but yeah, we'll clear it up. So if you guys found this helpful, useful, do me a favor and please consider subscribing to the channel. Go ahead and hit that like button and share the video with a friend. And again, here's the shelf pin case that I used. The standard pins that normally comes with these are 5 mm. This is what it looks like. And I actually did buy another set of shelf pins here. And as you can see right here, the 5 mm is indicated on there, but the holes just wouldn't work for these. So I'm going to go ahead and return these, but there you have it. Easy fix. No need to call a carpenter or have any crazy quotes or high prices for anything. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.